The Jagger Almighty posted this. It reads as follows. After all the social media joke, find a woman, one or two, that will be a direct descent of your grandmother or mother. Slay Queen can never do these duties whenever there's a ceremony in your home. She will be in your Mercedes drinking champagne. I understand why your vest went back. It's all fun and games until your wife is called useless by your elders. We are grown-ups now. We no longer live for content. Don't wait until reality starts hitting you. You still have a chance. Honestly, me being a woman, I mean, there are two sides when it comes to this type of topic. That he feels like, like social media, like it's for like slay queens, like you men want to be seen with those type of women, but when you want to marry those type of women who are wifey material in African standards, or rather South African standards, right? And when he compared Casper Vest dated Amanda DuPont, dated Boiti Tulo. At the time when he was dating those women were the it girls. It was before this whole baddie and slay queen thing was a thing, right? And the reason why he broke up with Boiti was because of he cheated on Boiti, and he definitely did confirm years back that he cheated. I don't know what happened with Amanda DuPont, but all I'm gonna say is that, ladies, just be yourself, because you can be the best wifey material in the world and that man will cheat with a slay queen, the woman that he claims will never be with, and he will cheat with a slay queen and he will marry the slay queen. It happens, guys. Or rather, there are men out there who would say they only want slay queens and they will marry slay queens. So, ladies, just be yourself, guys. Yeah, there are other women out there whom to our parents may seem useless, but to you, she isn't useless, right? So I'm just gonna say, be yourself, because there's every person for every one of us out there. Believe me, we all have our own people. There are women out there who are not slay queens, but they don't clean, they don't do anything. They're not slay queens, they don't go out, but they prefer to not clean. There are women out there who are slay queens, but they are educated, but when they're home, they are home. They have a career. When they're home, they want their place cleaned. They don't mind cooking. Like, it's just about how you see it, guys. It's really how about you see it. And also, you can do both. You can be a slay queen and slay, and also be a wifey material at the same time. Like, you can do both. Like, there's really nothing wrong. Like, I personally feel like in South Africa, when a woman wears certain types of clothes, or go to certain or is also on social media, always updating her life, she's automatically considered as a baddie or as a slay queen, when that's not really the case. The educated women out there who likes revealing themselves, there are wifey material out there who like posting in bikinis, but when they're in love and when they are in relationships, listen, they are that woman to you. So I mean, it is what it is. Men don't know what they want. A man will date a slay queen and cheat with wifey material. Look what happened to Uket Matlal. Look at his wife and look at the side chick. That's the total opposite. Do you see that woman looks older than, the side chick, the side chick looks older than Ket Matlal, but look how beautiful the wife is. Look at how beautiful Ket Matlala's ex-girlfriend is. You wouldn't even think that he would go for that type of woman. It happens. Guys, it happens. Just be yourself. I'm telling you, they will still come and ask you out. You are not less of a woman if you don't want to be a slay queen, and you are not less of a woman if you want to be a slay queen. And Casper Vest's wife, if she was not married, she would be considered as a slay queen. Believe me, we knew after he married her that she is educated. She is a wifey material. But because of the way she dresses and the way she looks, she would have automatically be considered as a slay queen. Guys, be yourselves. That's what I'm gonna say.